up, YouTubers? It's the Swede, coming from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Stones, Painting Black. Cool. So, standard tuning, let's get to it. We got E minor, the song is in E minor. 1, 2. We got a B. Let's play that like this. 2, 4, 4, open B, open E string. And then for the chorus, we got E minor, D major. Let's just play, let's leave the E string open. So 1, 2, G major. It's back to E minor there. And then second time it's E minor, D, G, D, A. Let's just play D string and A string. Try not to hit the B and E. And then back to this B. Okay. So let's talk about the switching and then the strumming, and then we do the melody at the very end. So E minor. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. E minor, B, chorus. E minor, D, G, D, E minor. E minor, D, B, D, G, D, A, B. This is cool strumming here. We do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But let's separate the bass and the highs. We go. We get that swing. The bass side, bass side, bass side, bass side, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, low, high, low, high. Chorus. Yeah, we can strum. Down, up, down, 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 up. 2, 3, stop. That's on the B string, and we can, while we play the notes, we can play the open E too to make it a little more full. 5, 7, 8, 10, 8, 7, 5. 4, 5, 7, 5, 4. One more time. at the end they have this cool thing they do. Same chords, E, B, but they go. Down, so it's down, down. Down, 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 down. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Have fun. Be safe. Thank you.